Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 6:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, September 3rd, 2021. This is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. Click the subscribe and bell if you'd like to subscribe to RLC or iExec. Click the thumbs up. We need people to see more of RLC, so it could be RLC. That is a dumb joke for a Friday. Anyway, twitter.com link is below the video. Click on it if you want to get the intraday updates and major market movements. Let's go into the markets, and we're going to be brief because it is a 3-day weekend. iExec or RLC to the US dollar is still on a bullish trend over the dotted line. Now, we'd like to be in an even more bullish angle here, which is the solid orange line also. So we got the dotted orange line, we got the solid orange line. We touched it last night around 11 o'clock midnight or some wee hour. And now we're looking like a cup and handle pattern. We could blow past this solid orange line. We could be in for another rally. Not to say that we will, for sure. Look, remember, there's a pretty steep drop between this solid line and this dotted line. The dotted line is still on an upward trajectory. There's no question about it. We have to take all of this, in stride. So we got to keep our eye on where this is going, and the middle is fine. We prefer not to have to come down to the dotted line, but it doesn't really matter because, it would take another couple of weeks to get back up there if we stay over the dotted line. So it's not that significant. But that being said, we would like to see this thing, properly on its uptrend. Now, let's go over to RLC Bitcoin. As you all know probably by now, it's one of the big factors that I use to kind of define and determine ultimately where RLC US dollar is. So right now, definitely looking like we could be in for a potential, we were over the solid orange line. We do have support down here. Now the support down here is 20 some odd percent down, which is kind of like what would happen if we went from 561 down to 455. That's about a 20% move. So that could drive it if we go down here. The other thing is Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, on the other hand, is just full of surprises. 49,856. We hit 51,000 today, as witnessed on this green line. The green line is the line that I always say is going to 80,000 by the end of the year. I project it. Now, we're in a channel that's actually putting us to above 100,000. But I like to be a little more conservative, so I'm going to say 80,000 because I like surprises. So let's see what happens with that. I'd like to be wrong there. Now, let's go to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is going down, as all of you know. Bitcoin's been going up, generally speaking. That means Bitcoin dominance going down means that all coins will do even better than how great Bitcoin's been doing lately. So keep your eye on that. Now, going back to RLC US dollar, 536, 537, who knows? This is a 3-day weekend in the States. We got to see how people are, they're by their barbecue grilling. I know I'm going to grill. I hope all of you are taking advantage of hopefully a nice weekend here in New York or wherever it is you guys are. But anyway, happy holidays, everyone, and around the world, wherever you are. Take it easy.